So on the right, you can see the original lights. They are tend to be like yellowish, and you can see the low beam right there, and then the high beam on the left. So let's compare to the ones that I have just installed. They're bluish. Well, they're like 6500 kelvins, and they illuminate a lot better. So let me show you how you can change those lights, the low beam and the high beam, on this Honda Civic 2020 EX. So I bought this from Amazon. It seemed to be pretty good. I bought these ones that are the combination of 9005, which is a high beam, which are these ones right there. I already changed one like I showed you before. And these are the H11, the low beam. So just so you have perspective, let me show you how it is. You just go this way. I'm going to turn, and I'm going to look here, and here you have the high beam, and this is the low beam right there. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, right there in the center is the low beam. So let's zoom out and let me show you how to remove. Let's start with the high beam right there. So to remove it, you're gonna have to press this thing here until you hear a click. I just heard the click, so it unclip, and then you pull this up. So this is how it looks. There. And there's the light. And to remove it, you turn it. In this case, it's this way. So you can feel it. I mean, if you try to turn it to the other side, you can't. So I'm gonna turn it this way. It just turned. I'll just show you. It was like that. And to remove it, you do that, and you pull it out. There is the old one. And here's the new one. So for comparison purposes, there you go. And you put it this way, and then you turn it. It's better to use both hands, actually, so you don't drop it. There it is. It fit in. Now I'm gonna turn it. I have to push a little bit. There. And there it is. It's all in. And now you have to plug this thing until you hear a click. There you go. So that's the high beam. And then we still have to do the low beam that is over here. I'll point the camera. For the low beam, which we just did this way, we did the high beam. Now we're focused on this one, the low beam. And these cables bother you a little bit, but you just press. I'm pressing with my index finger the top. Well, it's actually from the bottom. It's grabbing from the bottom. So let me just show you. In this case, this is the new one I'm gonna put. The light is like this, so it's coming from the bottom. So the tab is gonna be like a little bit here. So you pull downwards. So I'm pressing now, right there, and I'm gonna push with my fingers on the side. I'm gonna pull it downwards. There. Yeah. There it is. It's out. Now I'm gonna turn it this way and pull it out. There, out. A new one goes in. Okay. It's cold today, so everything is slippery on my fingers. There. Now I have to turn this downwards. There you go. Yeah, I just felt it. It turned like a quarter. And now I have the plug there, and I have to plug it from the bottom. I have to wiggle a little bit until you hear the click. It's not that easy, mostly when it's 15 Fahrenheit outside. There you go, click. I can feel it. There it is. The low beam is done, both sides are done. Let's take a look. And this is how now both looks like. There you go. And it has much better illumination at night when you're on the roads, especially in the winter now. So I'm really happy with these ones. And again, these are the Auxedo, bought it at Amazon, and this is the combination that you need for the Honda Civic. Thank you very much, and please subscribe. That helps me on making more videos like this.